Don't count your chickens before they hatch. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101. After Hurricane Harvey in 2017, Sadie Koyoko applied for disaster relief from FEMA, claiming her Houston residence was damaged and providing supporting documentation for a claim such as hotel receipts, utility bills, and repair estimates. FEMA awarded her approximately $33,000. Later, federal authorities investigated and alleged that the application was a fraudulent attempt, asserting that the listed residence did not exist as described, the applicant never lived in Houston, and the supporting documents were fabricated. The United States charged Koyoko with disaster relief fraud and wire fraud in the federal trial court in Texas. During trial, the government revealed late disclosures of two items: a civil recoupment letter sent to the defendant in 2020, and an email to a third-party contractor who had supposedly inspected the property. The defense argued these late disclosures violated the government's obligations. The trial court ultimately dismissed the indictment without prejudice, citing its supervisory powers and referencing concerns over discovery violations in this and other recent cases before it, despite finding no intentional misconduct by the prosecutors in this case. On appeal, the Fifth Circuit Court reviewed whether the trial court erred in dismissing the indictment. The appellate court held there was no violation because the defense failed to show prejudice from the late disclosed evidence and the information could have been obtained through reasonable diligence. The court further found that even assuming procedural violation, the trial court had not properly considered the required factors or imposed the least severe sanction. The Fifth Circuit concluded that the trial court abused its discretion in dismissing the indictment and therefore reversed the dismissal order. Because of this, the defendant will have to stand trial. Heard about an interesting case? Let us know. We might cover it on a future episode. Want to hear one of our episodes again? Be sure to check out the best of Business Law 101 on the Brushwood Media Network and YouTube at Dr. Dave Saves America. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101.